Hello, I'm glad to welcome you on my channel. I'll show you how I cast on stitches, knit in a circle, knit an elastic band one by one in this video. We need a yarn, a circular needles and a marker. Let's begin. I place the thread on my thumb and pointer fingers, like this. I must take the knitting needles to top thread and fix it. It's a first stitch. Then I'll be repeated movements. It's from bottom to top and to top to bottom. It's from bottom to top and to top to bottom. Pull up a little. You may cast on stitch how much you need, but it multiply of 2 and one more for circular knitting. Next, I distribute all stitches exactly without its twist. The thread from the ball of yarn is the working thread. The first knit stitch I knit through the front loop. I pass this stitch to stitch over. Pull up. This is the beginning of the row and we place a marker. The next stitch is a purl stitch. We have to knit it through the front loop 2. repeat until the end of the row. I need the knit stitch through the front loop, the purl stitch through the front loop too. It's first row. The second row. I need the knit stitch through the front loop, the purl stitch through the back loop, like this. Front loop, back loop, front, back loop. And I knit to the marker similarly. We will get a beautiful apple of the hat or sleeves, for example. I hope my video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. I wish you a good day.